I think with this question, the important bit is to sort of think of a starting point. You're not given any information about the sizes of the circles, but so I'm just going to say the let the radius of the big circle equal 1. So that would be my starting point. Now you could use any number, and then you could find out the percentage with any one. But I think 1 is easy enough. So therefore, the big circle area is pi times by 1 squared, which is just pi. Now, so if the radius of the big circle is 1, then the radius of my small circle, each one of those, is going to have to be a quarter, right? So, because that would altogether equal 1, right? A quarter, half, 3/4, 1. So, small circle radius equals 1/4. So, small circle area equals pi times by a quarter squared, which is 1/16 pi. Okay, so that's my small circle area. Now I've got 6 small circles, so 6 small circles is 6 times by 1/16 pi, which is 6/16 pi, which is 3/8 pi. So what percentage of the whole thing is taken up? Well, 3/8. If the larger circle is pi, then and the small circles all together is 3/8. The percentage of the large circle which is shaded is going to be what's left of that, right? So if 3/8 is taken up with the small circles, I've got 5/8 pi shaded. Okay, so 5/8 of the shape is shaded, and 5/8, well, 4/8 is a half. I've got one more eighth, which is 0.125. So I've got 0.625 or 5/8 pi, which is 62.5% of the whole thing. Yeah. Gradient of line OP. So that's 2. That's 2. Gradient is 2/2, which is 1. The gradient of the tangent is the negative reciprocal for a perpendicular line. So it's the negative reciprocal of 1/1, so that's -1. So the equation of the tangent is going to be y equals minus x plus something. Substitute in the values we know. 2 equals -2 plus c. 4 equals c. So my equation is y equals minus x plus 4. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So let's do that. So I've got the base, which is x plus 5 divided by 10. I'm going to times it by x minus 1 over 4. And then all of that I'm going to have to divide by 2. So let's just do this multiplication out first. So I've got x plus 5, x minus 1 over 40, and then all of that is going to be divided by 2. That gives me x squared plus 5x, take away 1x gives me plus 4x, and then take away 5. Instead of dividing by 40, if I divide by 40 and then divide by 2, it's the same as being divided by 80. So there's my result for that one.